Hello, today we are here to explain our group assignment for computer-aided design courses with the subject code of BMM1553. My group members consist of Keneth Yong Shen, Chang, and Victor Xiang. For this assignment, we are required to choose a common hand tool to measure and draw in AutoCAD. For this purpose, we have chosen a double open-ended spanner with to be the hand tool of choice.
Okay, so we discussed whether or not we could improve the hand tool using the knowledge that we have learned in both the CAD course and other courses. We also looked at different measurements and dimensions of similar hand tools, and we came to the conclusion that based on our current knowledge, we do not see how we can improve the hand tool by modifying it. The hand tool seems adequate to bear the stress and strength of daily usage under normal human strength and will not break under normal circumstances.
The design of the tool is fairly simple. The double open-ended spanner is a one-piece wrench with a U-shaped opening that grips two opposite faces of the bolt or nut. It is double-ended with a different size opening at each end. The ends are generally oriented at an angle of around 15 degrees to the longitudinal axis of the handle. This allows a greater range of movement in enclosed spaces by flipping the wrench over. The thickness around the spanner is slightly thicker than that of the handle. This is due to the fact that the spanner comes in contact with nuts and bolts and therefore experience more stress and strain around the spanner area compared to that of the handle. The specific spanner that we choose to base our project on is manufactured from drop forged steel and is made in Japan.
For the drawing steps, we decided to first draft the drawing by tracing the spanner on a piece of A4 paper. Then, we measured the angles, the lengths, and other dimensions of the spanner. In order to make up for some edges that have been worn out over time because of overuse, we did some minor modifications to the drawing, such as sharpening the edges. In AutoCAD, we started drawing with one side of the spanner, as shown here, to the other side. We calculated the radiuses of the edges, such as this one here, here, and here, by calculation based on the drawn tool on the A4 paper. The formula for the radius calculation is stated in the project report. In AutoCAD, we also drew the different orthogonal views of the tool by using projection lines. As this video only shows the final product of the tool, the projection lines have already been erased. But previously, the projection lines were drawn from the first part of the drawing to connect to the top view and the side view that you can see here now. The final part of the drawing is the title block as specified by the university.
In conclusion, this is the hand tool that we have chosen to measure and draw for group AutoCAD group assignment. We did not modify any of the dimension of the tool because we think that it is good enough as it is. Thank you, and we hope this video was informative.